afternoon to all of you. As the Speaker of the House, today we are going to discuss on National Youth Parliament on Digital India. I am requested to all the honorable members of House please to keep the discipline of the House. Again, I am requested especially the opposition party, don't make a trouble in the House. Your question will we listen and discuss one by one. Okay, let us start the discussion on Digital India.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. To be able to deploy various digital services across the country, it is necessary to create a strong digital infrastructure, especially in rural areas of the country. The interior regions of the country either very little or mostly do not have any electronic network. This is the reason behind establishing a digital network across the country. Bharat Broadband Network Limited, the governmental body that is responsible for the execution of the National Fiber Network. Project is responsible the Digital India project as well. BharatNet aims to connect 2,50,500 Gram Panchayats across the country to a high-speed internet via on optical fiber network. 4 lakh internet points will be established all across the country, a part of the program from which anybody will be able to access the internet. Thank you.
Opposition party asks your question.
Speaker, my question, what is Digital India?
Ruling party give the answer.
Digital India is a program to prepare India for a knowledge future. The focus is on beginning transformating to realize IT. The focus is on making technology center to enabling change. It is an umbrella program covering many departments.
Next.
Who proposed Digital India?
Digital India is a flagship program of Government of India with vision to transform India is a digitally improved society and converted economy. The program was launched on July 1, 2015 by Hon. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, 23 November 2022.
Next.
Speaker, for my question, what are the example of Digital India?
Through schemes such as a Dadgat, a digital ID program, BharatNet and public Wi-Fi hotspot, the Digital India, in fact, is in leading the country, includes smart towns and rural area to format its internet infrastructure.
Next.
Which sector is most benefit from Digital India?
This technology are resulting in higher productive, better quality, increased application, productive maintenance, and higher all power in sites or reducing manufacturing errors and saving time and money.
Next.
What are the benefits of digital?
Digital technology means that devices can be more compact, faster, lighter, and more versatile. Social connectivity, communication speed, versatile working, automation, information storage, editing.
Next.